In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Etsy account and update the categories of your listings. This process is quite straightforward, but it's always great to go through these steps together to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to Etsy.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details and you'll be directed to your Etsy account dashboard. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to your shop manager. You can locate this at the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking on Shop Manager brings you to the central hub where you manage all things related to your Etsy shop. From here, you can oversee your shop's daily operations, check messages, manage orders, and of course, update your listings. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look for the Listings section in the menu, click on Listings, and this will display all your active items. Here you'll be able to see everything you currently have on sale, as well as manage them individually. At this point, you might decide you want to update a specific listing. To do so, simply click on Edit next to the listing you wish to update. This will open up the detailed editing screen for that particular item. As you scroll down, you'll come across the category section. This is where you can change the category of your item. Click on the category box, which will open a drop-down menu with various options. Here, you can either browse through the categories or use the search function to find the category that fits your item best. It's important to choose the most accurate category, as this helps potential buyers find your items easier. If there are any relevant subcategories, be sure to select those as well, as they further refine where your item will appear in search results. Once you've selected the new category and any subcategories if applicable, it's crucial to save your changes. To do this, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click either Publish or Save. This action confirms the updates you've made to your listing, cementing the changes so your potential customers can see them. Remember, categories are set on a per listing basis, so if you have multiple items that need updating, you'll have to repeat this process for each one. While it might seem repetitive, ensuring that each item is properly categorized is a valuable step in enhancing the visibility and organization of your shop. By following these steps diligently, you're now equipped to keep your Etsy listings updated with the most relevant category information. This not only helps in organizing your shop, but also improves your chances of reaching the right audience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Etsy.